Hello friends, welcome to your channel Bro Grindiaka. If you go getter, then I have got exactly what you need right here and right now. Exinox Scalper will assist you to make huge profit quickly, easily. So all you need is just to enjoy the process, resting on your comfy couch. Exinox Scalper Indicator is your unique key to successful trading. How it's work. The chief goal my team followed creating this indicator was to make it highly profitable, easy to use, so that both newbie trader and experienced one can enjoy it. Exonox scalper work on all major pair and M1 M30 time frame. The super intelligent forex tool is based on unique algorithm that make power to pinpoint the best time to enter and exit trade with a great accuracy. Simply simply buy and sell Axonex tell you and enjoy making money. What is inside the new Axonex Excelper system? Effective trading algorithm, user friendly visual interface, minimal time investment, high profit signal, built in smart exit technology, unique trend power detection, multiple trading style, reliable signal, 100% no repent, supporter all major currency pairs. Here you see how Exonocal Scalper give you huge profit. You can see this 167 pips. बाय का यहाँ पे आप सेल मिला 37 pips सेल. You can see very easily you can get profit without any analysis, without any time taking. You can easily use Exonocus Scalper and easy earn profit. Uncertainty about the future, fatigue, boring daily routine, depression, lack of money, work 24 into 7, sad beloved and children who miss you. Oh no, don't say it the accurate description of your life. It's high time to change it. I am sure that not the life you dreamed of. You deserve the best. The world of forex trading with the right tool can help you to achieve financial freedom, location, independence, and the ability to take care of loved ones like never before. All hard work is done for you. At the very beginning of my path as forex trading, every single step on forex was a terrible stress for me. Doubt never left me even for a second. Did I calculate the entry point properly? Did I set take profit and stop loss at the correct level? Whether it's time to enter exit the trade off or it's too early. I would not wish such stress on my worst enemy. Happy to note you are in a completely different situation. You don't have to spend hours analysis chart. Exonasis scalper will show you both the ideal entry and exit point for a trade. All hard work is done for you. In trading, every second count. If you doubt for too long, you miss the right movement. Axonogus scalper is devoid of feeling, fears and doubt. This super intelligent indicator act on the basis of its perfectly calculated ingenious algorithm, not succumbing to the emotion that are peculiar to you and me. That's why I am convinced that even if you a newbie in forex, it's not a reason to deprive yourself of high profit. Thanks to the users friendly interface, of Exonex Scalper. Trading is available to every beginner. Even you grandma can become a trader. At all that left is to install the indicator on the chart and watch your rapidly growing profit. Yes, it's a piece of cake. Always on time. Finally, you will not miss their point because you will alerted in three different ways when to enter and close your trade. Pop-up alert with sound on MT4 platform. No need to stay glued to the screen. Just turn the volume up on your PC and get other things done while waiting for the next buy and sell signal. Second, instant email alert. Turn on email alert to receive notification even when you are not near your PC. You will get an email as soon as the new signal is generated. Third, push notification to your mobile. Here the signal, open up your MT4 app on your smartphone and enter the trade. It is simple and convenient. To complete your dream, check out description which given below and you will complete your dream absolutely.